and this is a very special day for Angel. Ever since we've been dating, she's always been wanting to go to like a sunflower field, and today's the day.
Yeah, because we can't drive, we don't have any license, so that's why we can't go to the sunflower farm. But now we're going.
That's why you have friends, people.
But yeah, we'll see you there.
Yeah, because we're already running late.
Bye.
Bye. We are at a sunflower farm, and this is the map. So we're gonna go do this long one that looks like a sunflower, and then we gotta go out, and then you can go over here by some trees. I'm not sure where the long entrance is. I'm guessing it's that one.
Okay, so you're trying to see it?
Yeah, let's go walk around.
Okay. So this is we have a short trail, which is really short.
That you just probably saw. So
yeah.
Now we were like, we're gonna do the long trail. Sam's ready for it. We're up for it.
Yeah, so they're actually just there.
And now we've just begun on our journey. So I think we're gonna wrap up at this trail, and then I don't know what we're doing after that. Getting a bite to eat, or we're gonna go grab some eats.
Some eats. Yeah. Yeah.
Whoops.
Oh, picture.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Picture time.
Picture time.
1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
I'll take photos here.
Say hi. Hi.
Oh.
You've been doing it so hard. And look at this. There's like small sunflowers. They're kind of like droopy. And then you have the tall ones right here.
They're taller
which is
than
very
me.
cute. Is it?
Yeah, they're taller than me. See?
Let me see.
They're way taller.
Oh yeah, they're way taller than
That
you.
one's like got a full head.
Yeah, you're short.
Like a foot.
You're short.
Well, you're just barely taller than that one on the ground. Look at this one.
That's so rude.
This goes up to your belly button. They're so small.
Not really.
Yeah, they're small.
Why is it much taller than this one? Oh, this one is like tall as this one.
You're taller than it slightly.
Kinda.
Yeah.
Or this one. I'm tall as this one. We just bought a paint.
And we're back. Home, that is.
It's been a long day.
Yeah, it's been a long one. We went to a sunflower field called Sunflower Farms, and I don't remember the rest of it, so Angel's gonna put like the caption and
Yeah,
like
so,
the Instagram
yeah.
hashtag
So
here.
after that, we went to the seafood market. We just didn't took a lot of photos because it was kind of chaotic and we're so hungry. We just
Yeah.
want to dig into to eating. Staff got for us.
Yeah, no,
And
thank you,
then-
Steph.
Yeah, we actually went to like an art walk at Riverdale, close to our work, and we circle around and see this amazing painting.
Yeah, like look at that. Like that's so pretty. It's really nice.
I feel like it will fit the aesthetic of the place once we get the new couch because this couch kind of sucks. So,
Yeah, it does.
yeah, so we're finally gonna decorate the place.
Yeah, it's been a long time coming,
Yeah.
but it's finally gonna happen. Well, it's already started to happen a little bit. We have that painting over there that we got from HomeSense.
Yeah.
HomeSense.
Yeah.
And then we got extra barbecue food that I think Angel already said that we got leftovers from the seafood thing. I'm excited for the barbecue pork shish kebab.
Yeah, the
Yeah.
barbecue. The Filipino barbecue.
Filipino barbecue, if you've never had it, is like the best barbecue. It's by far like another. I'll keep Angel in the frame. One of my favorite places Angel's ever taken me is this place called Tonono. It's so good. Like if you get the seafood platter, it comes with squid, barbecue pork,
Yeah.
shrimp, rice, lots of rice.
Yeah, so if you're actually in Toronto, you should visit it, like, definitely. They also have some different, like, solo meals, like, for example, if you're looking for lechon, if you wanted some dessert.
Finger licking good.
The artist is actually this girl, it's Joanne Joclas.
It's really cool. I love it. I saw that she has like this other one that's like on a canvas, and it's a bigger, like a really big version. It's not like identical, but it's similar. And it's on a canvas, and oh my god, it was so pretty. It was the thing that caught my eye that made us go to a booth. But it was expensive, which is understandable. Like a painting of that size typically is.
Yeah.
But this one's not too bad. $130. I think that's a good price for
Yeah,
how
it's really
pretty that
pretty
is.
though. And also the title of this painting is "Holding Fast to Summer." Like we don't want the summer to end.
Yeah, which is going to be soon because it's already late August, and it looks like it's going to be a early winter this year.
That's
So fun. Alright, it's been nice chatting. I dragged that on for a little too long, so now it's going to be goodbye.
Bye.